Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete photos added to OneDrive via the Photos application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application as well as OneDrive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's now minimize the Photos application for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Finder. Locate the OneDrive for Computer Science Videos. Click on this. Go within Photos 2024. And then we have an empty folder, which we will be adding photos to. Let's now go to another desktop. Go all the way around to the dock. Go back to Photos. We can now select a couple of photos and then export all these to the desktop. Depending on how many you have selected. We've just selected 2. Now click on Export. Export again. That has now been exported to the desktop. Let's now minimize the Photos application for the moment. Now what we can do is highlight those photos on the desktop and then drag and drop into OneDrive via the Photos 2024 folder. Let's now wait for that to synchronize. So there are 2 ways that we can physically remove these images from OneDrive. We can either go all the way down to the dock once we minimize Finder for the moment. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, and then go to office.com once that is loaded up on screen. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, OneDrive, My Files, go to Photos 2024. We can remove from the portal by selecting all images and then delete. Are you sure you want to send these items to the recycling bin? That's fine. So that itself has now been deleted. If I were to, let's just say, minimize the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, go around to the dock, go back to Finder, and now you can see that we have the photos that were added to OneDrive completely removed from our system. The other alternative method is to go around to the dock, go back to Photos again, export 2 photos again, using the same protocols, export once, twice. That should be exported to the desktop. Minimize photos for the moment. Same again, highlight, drag and drop within the OneDrive folder. And so, let that now synchronize. If we go all the way around to the dock, go back to Google Chrome, we will be able to see that Photos 2024, after we refresh, now has 2 images in that folder. So let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Let's now highlight these images, right click, move to bin. Yes, we want to permanently delete these photos or immediately delete these photos. This cannot be undone. And so those images that were migrated from the Photos application within OneDrive have been completely removed again. If we go around to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. As you can see, that has now been removed in real time. So we can now quit Google Chrome, quit Finder, go all the way around to the dock, go back to the Photos application, quit Photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.